How to fix Zark Zarchiver access denied. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to your phone settings, the gear icon right here, and then you'll just have to scroll down and look for apps. And from here, go to manage apps. And then you'll have to look for your Zark Archiver application from here, or if you want it to be directly found, just go ahead and click on search apps and then type Z. So pull up your Z archiver. And from here, go to storage. And before you go to storage, make sure that under app permissions, no permissions denied. Okay? So once everything is set, go back and then go to storage. Now from storage, all I have to do is clear data and make sure you comply both of these options right here, which is clear all data and then clear cache. Now once you've done that, and if it's still not working, all you have to do is to download a different application, which is files. Go to your Play Store and look for files. Now you'll have to download the blue folder right here, which says files. Download it and open it. And once you have successfully installed it, just go ahead and copy all the files that you have from Zarchiver, move it to the files application that we just downloaded. So that's how you fix Zarchiver access denied.